Good morning! Nagsisimula ka pa lang ba at nahihilig sa pagtakbo lately? Share ko lang itong 5 running facts na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo sa pagsisimula nyo sa pagtakbo. Number 1, hindi mo kailangan tumakbo ng mabilis agad. You can start slow. Jogging at a comfortable pace helps your body adapt and prevents injuries. Consistency beats speed. Mas mahalaga ang regular na pagtakbo kaysa sa bilis. Kahit na 3 to 4 times a week na 20 to 30 minutes, malaking tulong na. Proper shoes matters. Ang pagsusuot ng tamang running shoes mahalaga dahil nakaka-avoid to ng injury, and it will give you comfort in every stride. Warm up and cool down are essential. Light stretches or brisk walking before and after running help your muscles adjust and recover better. And the last one, number 5. Number 5 na tayo, di ba? Parang I lost count. You will get better over time. Don't be discouraged sa simula kung feeling mo mahina ka. With patience and practice, lalakas din ang resistensya mo, hahaba ang kaya mong takbuhin, at syempre mas bibilis ka. Ayun lang. Hope that helps. Run, run, run!